Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Eton mess with meringues cooked in a frying pan. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna remove the meringues from the frying pan. And set aside. I'm gonna put whipped cream, meringues, strawberry jam, whipped cream, meringues, whipped cream, and diced strawberries. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!